So I did a thing. I bought some more junk. And I needed a home for this junk. And we went to the garage to pick up this case. And everything was going smoothly. But as you can see, now we have two cases. They're a bit different. This thing is broke while I was carrying it, and I dropped the case. And this is where all the power buttons are. The LEDs on the power button, the reset button, and it's mangled here, here, and here now, and this is not going well. And I just wanted to take the case, fill it up with drives, put the motherboard in, and we're done. But no. Now I need to take this case and this backplane and these PSUs and transfer it here, because this case is not mangled. And I don't know how to transfer a backplane, so let's do it together. Because this is SAS 2 controller and that is the SAS 1 controller, and I knew it that one case will be for parts, but I was hoping it, look, this one, oh wow, but I was hoping those parts would not be destroyed. Did I have to do that? I don't know, maybe. Now I need to get more lighting. I have a million screws and not enough workspace. Okay, so what screws do I need to take out? These ones? Maybe these ones? That one? And those at the bottom. And I need to unplug this thing. So this is SAS EL1 and this one is SAS 2 EL1. Okay. Would it be helpful if I took this out? Yes, it will. Hot swappable fans, that's very nice. First thing, unplug all the power supply. Shit, oh come on. Oh wow. Oh come on.
Oh, you're hurt on the finger.
What? Oh, that's normal. When you're working on servers, you need to cut yourself somewhere. Much easier. Okay. Okay. This is all of the power connectors. I really have to take them all out. We should have watched a YouTube video.
Oh, we're making one.
Welcome to How to Fix Your Server That You Dropped on the Ground edition. This, 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 and this. Just a minute.
$50.
Yep. So yeah, today we bought 24. Is it 24?
12.
12 hard drives from 2013 and the case. And with those 12 hard drives and another 10 hard drives, we are going to make a junkyard server.
It's not a junkyard server.
It's almost a junkyard server. Wait, can I take the backplane out now? I think I can.
Maybe.
I think we have done it.
Try.
One screw. Fucking handle had to break. I cannot believe it. Okay, how do you take it out now? Because it is wider than the case.
Really?
Oh, okay. We have a little bit of wiggle room.
Yay.
So what is this?
Woo. Wait.
Supermicro
SAS 2.
BPN SAS 2 EL1. So that means it has one path to the host. It's not redundant, but it's SAS 2. We need SAS 2.
Okay.
Because SAS 1 does not support hard drives bigger than 2
terabytes.
2 terabytes, right?
Just ask me. I know everything.
Yes, I see. Come on. Yeah, why am I removing it before I removed all the screws? It just...
Okay, don't put them back.
So this was supposed to be my spare parts case. This is now a spare parts case.
Yeah.
A little bit damaged, but fine.
I think you can fix it.
What?
This thing. I think you can make a new hole.
So these are pressing nuts that we lost them all. So pressing nuts and
They're like very short.
yeah, they're just pressed in, and I was holding it and the handle just
Popped. Okay.
yeah.
This isn't supposed to happen.
Yes, I know. Okay.
So you're switching just the board.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm switching just the board and hoping that the power distribution thing here can handle it.
Okay.
Because this has 80 plus power supply and this has titanium. This is going where the price of electricity is not an issue.
Okay.
So I will keep the nice power supplies for our home. Come on, get out. It's very easy to take these small X connectors out with a flathead screwdriver.
These are white.
Yes,
These are black.
yes. Your point being that we do not care.
No, it's something different.
Okay, so we have this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws at the bottom, and then you scooch it over to the little bit back and to the left, and then you fish it out. Yeah, you need to pull all of this.
Oh, this is in the way.
It has light strips because the backplane has lights that go to here, and they're very close. And now I'm touching it with the backplane.
These those clear plastics.
Yes. If you take a... What the fuck is this? Oh, we have empty trays.
Yeah.
What? For airflow? Nice. I did not know we had those. So you have a tray, empty tray.
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah, it's empty.
That restricts the
Oh, but
airflow.
it has a little
Yes.
how do you call it?
That restricts the airflow. So more air goes over your hard drives instead of around them where there is no hard drives. Okay, now you pull it all out. Now to the left and up. Come on.
Yeah.
And this is a SAS backplane.
Wait, let's see what does it says.
SAS, not SAS2. SAS. So let's see. There are some differences, but nothing particularly amazing. It's just newer technology. Okay, so this is going to spare parts. So you need to move all the cables, but the cables are springing back. Now you just drop this in. As you can see, we are professionals at this point. This is not a very long one. And you put the screws loosely in before you tighten them. And try not to cross-thread anything, because I mean, this can work with 2 screws inside. It's better than we do this here, then haul all of this shit into the house and out of the house and okay. I don't know if there's a difference between SAS and SAS2 cables. I would suspect yes, so we are going to use that cable because it needs to be higher speed, so it has different specifications for shielding and interference and whatnot. I don't know. I have never read the data sheet. Come on, why you not chuch? Loosen up this one. Now this is a recipe for disaster.
Why?
How do you get this out? Where are the clips?
Why is this plastic thing there?
This is to direct the airflow over the CPU coolers, because in the servers, CPU coolers are usually passive. Oh, come on! How do you get this out? I never had to take one of these out. Oh, need to lift it, okay. Can you lift it? Okay, I'm really confused now.
No.
Fuck it. Plug all of the power connectors back in. Well, let's assemble this one.
Okay.
You do not have to film that joyride.
Yay.
But these fans are really clean.
Cool.
Nice and tighten things for future us. Okay. So this is the same fan. Oh, but different blade design. Oh, interesting. What is different? 1.2 amp. This is stronger one. This is just 1.1 amp. There's probably a sound difference. But at this point, I'm not going to experiment with this.
Okay.
Can't believe I destroyed the case. And we need this cable.
But this one is pretty clear.
What? I know it is, but I do not know if it's going to work with a SAS2 controller. So that is the point where I'm... Click. Okay. Now, we need to change this.
Okay. Switch.
Actually, do not push them all in. We're not done with this. We just need to put the cover on. Thank you for watching how to switch a backplane in your Supermicro server. It's not that difficult. It's a little bit fiddly. And do not trust these handles.
No.
Yeah, because you're going to end up with a brick. See you in the next video when we are going to make a junkyard backup off-site server.
Bye.
Bye.